After 16 days stuck at a campsite here in Spain, this week we finally get back on the road again. And it all gets a bit wild when we find some exotic creatures in the middle of Valencia. Good morning guys, so I'll start off by giving you guys a little bit of an update. We've been stuck at this campsite for 2 weeks now. You might have seen in our vlog a couple of weeks ago that one of our seatbelt receivers snapped off completely. So we've been waiting for a part to arrive from the UK. There's been a bit of a hold up with customs and we've not known when it's coming, but I've just checked my phone and apparently it's going to be delivered today, which is super exciting. It's been nice to slow down, but also we just can't wait to get back on the road again and start exploring. We are ready now. 2 weeks is plenty of time for us to unwind and relax, and we are raring to go.
What we got? Oh, it's like a pass the parcel.
Oh God. Keeping us on our toes.
They look like the ones to me.
Yeah, it looks like it.
Yeah, they're the ones.
Why do you have
Perfect.
2 seatbelts?
Because I ordered 2. So, and they're exactly the same.
They are, aren't they?
Yeah, okay, perfect. Look at that. Interesting. Look, 2012.
Wow.
It's interesting.
Okay, let's just double check. Good.
Hey.
There we go.
And this is where it's going to be going, so Rick's going to be fixing it onto this side.
So we're just going to pop this off if we can. They simply just bolt on, and they've given us a new bolt. So we'll just make sure that the thread is the same. It is good. And there's a threaded piece in there, and then what we'll do, so we'll just get that. We'll just put a little bit of thread lock on, just so it binds in. Oop. Make sure that goes round. Back in the same position.
And that's as easy as that?
That's as easy as that. They're slightly longer, aren't they? They look ever so slightly longer.
Do you think?
Yeah, I don't know.
I see what you mean when I questioned your ability to install these.
Question, that's how much. Like, I built this van
Are you
myself,
sure?
and my wife has trust issues with me undoing a bolt.
I was worried
And
that it was going to
putting
be
it
a
back on.
difficult job.
I know.
I really was,
No,
but that is
no
so
trust.
easy.
That's our relationship. Zero trust.
That's a lie. That's a lie.
Oh,
All
that's
good.
why they've replaced those, because they're not so slightly bigger. Alright, so I have to have these horrible looking things.
They're
This is
fine.
more
You don't really
squidgy.
notice it.
More
There we
squidgy.
go. Freedom. We can get back on the road. But before we go, we're having one last little jaunt along the beach here in Benicarlo. Rick's trying to get a bit of video footage on the waves, but I'm a little bit nervous. He's a little bit nervous. We don't want anything happening like last time. There he goes. I mean, I'm just going to keep the camera rolling, just in case, you know. Nothing. But these waves are absolutely ferocious.
Straight to the bucket list. You need to get all the things done. There's no time for sleep. Get away, fulfill our dreams today. We all need to go.
Well, I've just had to have a quick pit stop in a service station. Ted's recently been potty trained, so these pit stops are going to be more frequent, I think. Did you have a wee, Ted?
We did.
Yeah. Good boy. Oh, the strap on the camera's put the window wipers on. Yeah.
So we're just going to get a snack now and then hit the road again.
Yeah, good. Oh, good. Yeah, well, are you excited to go to the zoo?
What animal are you going to see?
An elephant.
Oh, wicked. It's just insane, isn't it? It's like all of this is fake. It's concrete, but it looks like an old tree trunk that you're walking through. It's
It looks so real, you are
It does.
right. It really does. The whole of the zoo's like this.
It's like we're walking through a big tree trunk, and you know, you're like, wow, look at this, guys. Jackie.
Down the end here.
Oh, it's only one. It's turned its back.
Oh.
When the world turns its back on you, you turn it back on the world. Name the film.
Oh, they said these might be inside. Oh, if we can't show Teddy his elephants.
No.
Oh my gosh! Ted! Come here! Let's show you your elephants!
It's only an elephant.
Whoa.
It's the little one.
I'm not sure where the little one is.
Look at that rock.
What is that?
What is that?
What do you think that is?
A hippo?
Yeah, that's how big a hippo is.
That is insane. I didn't even see that first.
I thought it was rock.
Me too.
Huh?
Is that what you thought?
I didn't see the start.
Yeah.
I was like, what in the world? Yeah. Look at the size of it.
It's huge, isn't it?
No.
Look, the fish is giving it a kiss.
I know. So wake up, wake up.
Here. And we have to go to the switch all the way to the lines. Then on the switch, then all walk down here to the play park.
Teddy, look this way, there's a baby one. Can you see it or do you need picking up? Do you see the baby one now?
And he's with his mama.
Oh.
Well, it's safe to say we're all having a good time today. It is so quiet. Like, there's hardly anyone here. Like, there's nothing open. None of the restaurants are open or something. But it is fantastic to come here in the winter. They did say there was a lady at the door saying, "Oh, you might not see this and you might not see that." And so far we've seen everything. So
Guys, the elephants.
I was just saying how quiet it is.
It's really quiet, but that's good for us.
It's fantastic for us, yeah.
It's
We get to
really
see all the
nice.
animals
Yeah,
ourselves.
there's no fighting,
no one
no
else
fighting
around.
for 'em.
It's great. There's an animal making a roaring noise. We'll see what it is. I think it's a lion or something. Hey Ted, what you got? What is
Oh,
it?
he's looking, Daddy, he's looking.
Looks pretty awesome, huh?
So cool. Look how amazing that is, guys. Just right behind us there, we've got rhinos and zebras. It's incredible.
So I've just found Kira in the animal world. Snoozing flat out, look. That is Kira of the animal world. Kira just said the most stupid thing you can do at a zoo with kids. Who's looking forward to the gift shop? Well, who says that?
I'm the nice one.
Who says that?
I'm the nice
The gift
one.
shop at a theme park or a zoo.
It does not mean we're
It's
buying anything.
ridiculous. Who's looking forward to the gift shop? What a silly woman.
Right, so after Rick's comment about the gift shop and taking the kids into the gift shop, guess who bought something from the gift shop? Do you want to show them what you bought?
Yeah, I bought a lovely bracelet, look at that. The last bracelet Kira bought me was probably about, was it 10 years ago? So it's last
No, I didn't think so. But it was 3 years ago, that bracelet. But yeah, it
3
was.
years ago?
It wasn't that long. No, it wasn't.
I've had that bracelet more than 3 years.
No,
surely.
that was the second one you had that looked the same like the first one.
Really?
Yeah.
Wow.
So you've got a new one now, so it looks nice.
Looks nice, looks very nice. €10.
But that's it, no more spending.
I know. Can't take me to a gift shop.
No. We're just now approaching what is hopefully our park up for the night. Hopefully.
It doesn't look very good, I must admit.
Oh, tight lane, babe, careful.
Alright, I got it. That was tight, wasn't it?
That was really tight.
Daddy, is this our parking?
Probably not.
Probably not. Because there's nobody else here.
Nada.
And this idea that you have to pay €5, I just...
Not a fan of.
No, it doesn't look great, does it?
Right, so we're just checking out our plan B. Just driven over the mountains, which was quite fun. Beautiful, lush, green. So we're just here now. It's right near a dam. And we're just gonna see. I've got a feeling that we're gonna be the only ones here.
Is it down there?
It's down there, yeah. But we shall see.
We'll see.
See if we've got company. Oh, I see one. I see one.
There's at least
one. I see two. I see two. 1, 2, 3,
there we go.
4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, and lots. There we are. Lots of company. Looks all right, doesn't it?
Hello, for friends. Yeah.
Yeah. Shall we stay here the night, Ted?
Yeah.
Yeah.
Yeah,
We'll stay in the night, I think. But this isn't just any park up, because we are parked up right in front of this absolutely magnificent dam and feeling so damn good to finally be back on the road again. We've left last night's park up now, and we are now on our way to a little village called Castella. The weather has turned. We are trying to chase the sun, but it's not going too well. We've got fog and we've got rain, so it is what it is. So yeah, we're just going to go and have a look at this little village, the park up there, and see what we think of it. If we're not too sure, then we're happy to sort of carry on and get some more miles in. Today's first park up didn't work out, so we're hoping today's plan B is a winner.
Looks quite nice.
It does look
This
quite
is
nice.
our sort of thing, baby. This is our sort of
And
thing.
we can go on a walk.
This is my sort of thing.
And we can go on a walk.
This is my sort of thing.
So we just found our overnight park up. We are parked up at the Park Natural El Fondo. Hopefully that's how it's pronounced. It's a nature reserve basically, so it's going to be a nice place to walk around, get out and explore. But we have just arrived and seen a sign. Well, actually there's lots of signs. They're dotted all over the car park that basically say that overnight parking isn't allowed. So I think we're going to chance
criminal.
it. We're going to chance it?
Yeah, I think everyone else is. So
Well, it looks that way, doesn't it?
people are set up with solar panels out and stuff, so
Wedges out and stuff like that.
yeah. Like it's off season, so hopefully it's fine. But there is a lot of signs.
There is a lot. So over here, look. Overnight boys are not allowed, nor is camping. Well, we'll be rebels.
Be rebels. We don't endorse this. We're not criminals. We're not criminals.
Let's talk about some criminal activity that may have happened today, shall we?
I don't know what. I don't know what you're talking about.
Who skipped 2 red lights while driving today?
Oh right, whatever.
He's out of practice from our 2 weeks at the campsite, I think. Right, can you hear that? It's silent. That's because the boys are out. It's just me and Piper here. The boys have just gone out on the nature reserve just to have a little peek before we probably go out tomorrow and explore. So Piper's just doing some of her schoolwork at the back. She's been writing her own story. Didn't even set her up with it, so that was easy schoolwork today. So she's just at the back here doing some schoolwork. She's writing a little story, but she has been focusing so hard on her handwriting. Brilliant. Really happy with that. And then we're going to get dinner on now. So tonight we are going to have, we've got some gnocchi. So I am going to make a creamy gnocchi with baby spinach, asparagus, parmesan, and then I'm going to cook with it some focaccia bread. Don't have an oven, but I'm just going to warm that up in the pan. Thanks for watching, guys. You know the drill. Like it, leave a comment and click subscribe, and we'll catch you next week.